On August 21, 2017, most of North America will witness one of nature's greatest events, an eclipse of the sun. Anyone within the path of totality, from Lincoln Beach, Oregon, to Charleston, South Carolina, can see a total solar eclipse. Observers outside this path will still see a partial solar eclipse. This will be the first total solar eclipse in the continental U.S. in 38 years. The last one occurred February 26, 1979, but many fewer people saw it because it passed through just 5 states in the Northwest and the weather was unkind. There are 3 typical types of solar eclipses. The first is a partial solar eclipse, when the moon does not fully line up with the sun, and so only partially blocks sunlight from reaching Earth. The second is an annular solar eclipse, when the moon and the sun are perfectly aligned but either the moon is further from Earth or the Earth is closer to the sun. This causes the moon to appear smaller than the sun, which appears as a very bright ring surrounding the dark disk of the moon. A total solar eclipse occurs when the dark silhouette of the moon fully covers the intense light of the sun. Only the much fainter solar corona is visible during a total eclipse. A fourth type of rare solar eclipse is known as a hybrid eclipse and occurs only once every 159 years. It varies between a total and annular eclipse depending on where on Earth you view it. Each year there are between 2 and 5 solar eclipses, but a total eclipse is rare and occurs about every 18 months. A total solar eclipse can last a maximum of 7 minutes 30 seconds. Almost identical eclipses occur after 18 years and 11 days. This period of 223 synodic months is known as the Saros cycle. This was first discovered by astronomers from the Chaldean Empire, a Neo-Babylonian empire that existed several centuries BC. Most ancient cultures had a grim view of eclipses. In ancient China, it was believed a hungry celestial dragon was responsible for eclipses, while in Vietnam, people thought eclipses were caused by a giant frog devouring the sun. In Europe, the Vikings blamed wolves for consuming the sun, while Korean folklore talks of the sun being stolen by mythical dogs. On May 29, 1919, Sir Arthur Eddington at Cambridge University organized an expedition to observe a total solar eclipse from Sobral in Brazil to try and test Einstein's theory of relativity. During the event, 2 heliostats with movable mirrors were used to direct images of the eclipsed sun into a pair of horizontal telescopes. The findings made Einstein an overnight celebrity and helped his theory find widespread acceptance. Directly at the sun is unsafe except during the brief total phase of a solar eclipse, totality, when the moon entirely blocks the sun. The only safe way to look directly at the uneclipsed or partially eclipsed sun is through special-purpose solar filters, such as eclipse glasses or handheld solar viewers. Avoid homemade filters or ordinary sunglasses as they are not safe and transmit too much sunlight.